Man, this is Kramer up, and it's a good morning. Boy, I tell you, I need something to snuggle with. 28 degrees. It's cold out there. Well, we deserve it. We've been getting away with murder for the last couple of weeks. Our high today.
So this looks really cool, but it might give you bloody diarrhea. And that's because a lot of chicken eggs in the United States are contaminated with salmonella. And salmonella is a huge problem. It's not just in the chicken egg itself, it might also be on the shell of the chicken. And every year we have more than 100 outbreaks of salmonella here in the United States. And this results in thousands of people getting sick and hundreds of people getting hospitalized. The most recent outbreak we had spanned 8 states. 100 people were reported to have gotten sick. Of course, that number is much bigger because not everybody with diarrhea from eating chicken eggs reports to their physician. And 20 people were actually hospitalized. So this is a very serious thing that can be easily avoided when the chicken egg is cooked or it's fried, So you got to make sure that you put enough heat on there to kill those pathogens, right? But again, even on the outer shell, on the egg shell, there might also be salmonella and other contaminants. And that's because just like chicken poop, the chicken egg comes out of the chicken's butt. And there's, of course, pathogens like viruses and bacteria, including salmonella. So the best way, if you ever have to use a raw egg, which I would not recommend at all, is to wash the outer shell with an antibacterial soap and then, make sure the egg is absolutely fresh. This certainly doesn't always guarantee that you don't have pathogens in there. That's again why I would recommend to boil the egg or cook the egg in other ways or fry it, whatever you want to do with it. But it is at least reducing your risk of getting salmonella because it's a very avoidable disease and it can be very severe. Again, I've seen hospitalizations that lasted for many, many days. Again, people can get very sick. It's usually dehydration. They can't keep any fluids down. Everything comes out. And again, blood loss as well. Bloody diarrhea, as it implies, causes significant amounts of blood loss as well. So these are real problems that can be easily avoided by cooking the egg appropriately. Because chicken eggs are actually a great source of protein and the yolk has a lot of minerals and vitamins. And it's certainly something that I recommend to eat. I eat about 4 eggs every day. Most people do fine with about 2 to 3 eggs a day. It's a great source of omega-3 fats as well. So these are very nutritious proteins that we can consume, but make sure that you cook them thoroughly to avoid any of these bad pathogens that make you very sick.